Do that one again.
Wow. Here's the next one.
Is that a hiccup?
Yeah.
Yep.
Where's the next one?
Where's that supposed to be?
Yeah. Sword fight.
That doesn't not sound like a sword fight.
It doesn't. No. I don't know.
Sounds like someone's counting change.
Yeah.
How did that sound like counting change?
Like drawing.
Krystal, what kind of change do you have?
Like cinder blocks or something?
Here we go.
Oh no. Oh, that's normal.
Okay, that's a phone,
Yeah.
obviously.
Have you guys heard that before?
No, I have a ringtone. And it don't stop believing.
Oh, that!
Oh, I have that on my iPod.
Okay.
Yes. Who scratched?
Krystal.
Yes.
What? Tracy?
Oh, it wasn't
It was
me.
Tracy.
Oh, was it? Wasn't. No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was. I saw it with my own. We have it on camera.
Oh, it was her.
We have it on camera. It was you, Tracy.
Well, then,
I'll be watching this in a couple weeks.
okay.
Yeah.
And then you will.
Or in a year.
And I will know.
Wait, that's a toilet.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm an expert at
Way to go, Krystal. You get a gold star.
Okay, okay.
Any more? That's frightening. What is it, pig?
Yeah.
How many
No, it was
pigs are
obviously an eagle.
That's it?
Glass.
Oh, that's Justin at night.
Okay, I have a problem, okay?
Sound familiar, Dave?
Huh?
Hey, he was snoring too. Yeah, Pastor Danny heard.